Okay, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of my new drawing tablet for my computer. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's probably like Wacom or wacom, I don't know. Okay, so this one, I think it's kind of new, I'm not sure. It's a medium size. This one has Bluetooth, 4K pen. I think they're all battery free. But it's Bluetooth. Alright. Something really cool happened with this today. It was about 2 days ago I went to go buy a tablet like this. And what happened was the price tag was $199. So I kind of hesitated to buy it. And then I was going to shop around a little bit, and I figured, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and get it. And I went back to the store the next day, and they had marked it down to $99. At Best Buy, I bought this for $99. As you can see, it's not the small one, it's a medium one. This is my small one that I started on, and I'm not sure whether or not it still works. I thought maybe the pen was bad, and it might actually just been my computer that was so messed up that it didn't have the right drivers or the right something. So here's the new one. That's interesting. It comes with the cord kind of like the old one, where it's kind of like a, I don't know, like a cell phone type of plug. I think that's a micro USB they call it, and then a regular USB. So maybe that means you don't have, if your computer doesn't have Bluetooth, that maybe you could use it anyway. That was actually one of the reasons I hesitated to buy it, because I had to come home and make sure that my desktop had Bluetooth on it, which I was pretty sure it did, but I needed to, because it is a brand new desktop, so I just had to verify it before I spent $200 that turned out to only be $99. Whatever. So that's all that comes in there. The drawing pad, which looks nice, it's nice and big too. It's that much bigger than the small one. Okay. Then you have the pen and you have the cord that I'm not sure if, I'll get back to that. Here's the pen. Same exact pen that came with this one, with the old one. Maybe. It looks the same, like it functions the same and stuff. Like, in other words, it has this thing in the back to pull the tips out, but I'm not going to get into that. You unscrew this and you have extra tips in there, and that you stick on there and you kind of like hook it to pull them out. All right, but why am I going to do that? It's a brand new pen. And you got these little buttons that are pretty much like mouse cursors, I think, like kind of like your mouse clickers. Alright, no use talking about any more about it. Let me go ahead and hook it up to my computer. I'm just going to hook it straight up with this. I might read the directions, but I'm just going to, I'll let you know what I do here in a second. Yeah, I think I might as well. This stuff's expensive. And I'll show the first shot of what it does. I guess I should show what it looks like outside the plastic. Took the plastic off. Nice and smooth, nice and flat and thin. Okay, so the instructions say to go to, I forgot the name of the website, but it says on the instructions it's like wacom.com or .org. The instructions is so straightforward, it's easy. You go there, you have to download the driver before you can use the pen. And I'm running this on Windows 11. I have a brand new computer. And I just want to say this thing works flawlessly. This is Krita, or I guess that's how you pronounce it. It's an animation software thing that's free. This is pretty good. And it's really smooth and quick. Like, there's no, that looked like some lag. Maybe, no, there's like no lag at all. It's really nice. All I did was hook it up to a USB port, Supposedly it has Bluetooth, but I don't know how to use that. And honestly, I don't even really care for it. It's not like I need to move the pad around anyway. So on a program like this, you have different pin selections. You could go to this one, like, you kind of have to like look at the picture to judge what it does. It just shows a pin with a solid line. Okay, well this one shows light to dark. Okay, so apparently that's a pressure sensitive tool, or whatever you want to call it. And what that means is, like, you push lightly, it draws lightly. As you go harder and harder, it gets darker and darker. And anyway, there's a lot of tools on this program right here. I don't want to get into all of it. That's not what it's about anyway. But for the most part, you could hook this drawing tablet up, download the drivers. It's pretty straightforward, and it just starts working. And in my opinion, that is smooth. I'm really happy with it. I like it. Anyway, that's it. That's it for this video. Please like and subscribe. The end.